crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs and welcome to my channel. Today I am super excited because I was finally able to purchase the second set of the Lisa Horton Crafts Interference inks. I was shopping around and at one of my favorite stores they were having a huge discounted price on that, so I was able to pick them up. I thought I'd swatch everything out so you can see the colors, and this is from the first set. Sorry, we'll go this way. So if you've never seen interference inks before, basically when the color is on white cardstock, it shows one color, and then when it is on dark cardstock, it is another color. So when you look at the top of the ink pads, the color that is on the left is the color that it'll be on a light colored, and the color on the right is the color it will be when it's on a dark cardstock. So this is the first swatch from the set one, and this is how I keep mine. I have them all labeled, and they're all in these jumbo daubers. Right now I'm waiting for a new case, but I do have the daubers here, so I wanted to get into it. What you want to make sure that you do is that you have dedicated brushes, daubers, you know, whatever you want it to be. You can get the little ones too, but because of these properties, you don't want to mix them with other inks, and you don't really want to mix them with each other because you don't want to contaminate the ink pads. So let's get started. I made my little chart here so we could go through that. The first one, oh, and before I go anywhere, I want to let you know I will link all of the inks today in the description box. I do have affiliate links, which means if you click on the link and make a purchase, I may make a small commission at no extra charge to you, and I greatly appreciate you shopping through my links and supporting my channel. So now that we got the housekeeping out of the way, alright, this first one is called Lemon Candy. And it's a beautiful yellow. And I do have all of my daubers labeled. So it's very, very yellow. So let's see. Wow, look at that. I'll hold this up here. So it's a yellow to a golden orange looking color. Alright, next up we have Milk Chocolate Roses. Let's see. Ooh. It's kind of like a brown orange into a reddish brown. That one's fun. Next we have they're all stuck together. We have Charcoal Gold. Ooh. Oh wow. This one's definitely a dark brown black to a gold. This one is ripe mango. Oh wow, that is a huge change. Look at that. We have that bright orange mango-y color into green. Alright, Mermaid Lagoon next. Oh, I love this one. That's a kind of a tealy blue into a blue, a little bit even almost purpley, like a cobalt kind of a, or aquamarine, ultramarine. Sorry, I'm like aquamarine. No, it's like an aquamarine into an ultramarine. Oh, I'm excited about this one too. This one is Lavender Fields. Just look at the color of that. Beautiful. Oh, wow. Alright. So this is the bright purple lavendery into a green. So like I was saying before, if you look at the lid, this side is this color on the white, and then this color is on the black. Alright, next is Summer Garden. And that looks like a kind of yellowy green into a beautiful blue green. Now we have Opal Blush. This is so pretty, this color. That's a blue into a pink. Next is Regal Gray. Oh wow. That is a gray into a purple. Now we have Peacock Tails. Oh, look at that. Wow. It's such a bright kind of tealy blue into that purple blue color there. Alright, Tropical Paradise. It's mind-boggling to me that the pad is this color and it ends up making that color on there. It's a beautiful pinky to a blue, kind of purpley. Alright, last one is Golden Sun. That's kind of a red into, or I don't know, like an orangey red into a yellow golden color. Alright, so these are swatches for today. So the first one is lemon candy, milk chocolate roses, charcoal gold, ripe mango, mermaid lagoon, lavender fields, summer garden, opal blush, regal gray, peacock tails, tropical paradise, and golden sun. So these add a lot of other options to the original collection. So you get a lot of new pinks and purples and some different shades of green too. It's really nice to have in there. And now that they're drying back a little bit, you can see that this chocolate, the milk chocolate roses, is, you know, much browner there. That ripe mango, that's just unbelievable that it can go from that color to that color. Or even that mermaid lagoon. And this tropical paradise. So anyway, I will, I'll put a link to the video where I did my first swatching, and I can also link to where I made, where I ink blended on some die cuts. I had some white die cuts that I put black on, that then I put the interference ink, and I had some black die cuts that I put white ink on, and then the interference ink. And you can see both both tones of this come through when you put different colors underneath, so it's very, very interesting. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video, I'd love to have you as a subscriber, and if you could take a minute to click that subscribe button and help me grow my channel. Come check me out over on Facebook. I post videos, cards, and any crafty sales that I come across, so it's a good resource to you. I think that's it. So like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and until next time, take care.